Hi everyone! In today's very short tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a brush like this, with two colors. So first you have to pick a brush that you would like to change to a brush with two colors. So I will take monoline brush. We have to swipe it to the left and here pick duplicate, just so we don't destroy the original brush. Now let's tap on the new brush and here we have settings we can change. We have to go to color dynamics and here we have to go to color pressure. And now we have to set the secondary color to maximum. And this is it. Let's tap on done. And now we can try it. So when I use more pressure, I have the second color. To change the colors, you have to open the color palette. And here at the top you see two colors. The first color is pink. And here is the secondary color. And it's blue. You can change it if you want to any other color you like. Let me know in the comments if you like this brush. And of course, like I said before, you can do it with any brush you like. I did it also with the script brush. I have it here. But let's do it again. So I'm swapping it to the left and picking duplicate. And now I'm tapping on the new brush, going to color dynamics. And in the color pressure, I'm changing secondary color to max. And this is how this brush will look like. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!